Today we're doing a fun coloring experiment with colors. First we need milk, we need the stove, we need Q-tips, we need food coloring, a plate. So let's start. Let's pour the milk. Okay, let's put some food coloring. Opening. Sometimes it falls. Oopsie daisies. Those look like cherries. Lovely cherries in my tummy. Let's take one Q-tip. Take it. Let's dip it in the soap. Hold it tight. Wow. Wow. Look at all those colors. Let's take one more Q-tip. Put the side in there and put it in here. Here it goes. Look at the colors. Whoa. Did you remember my M&M video? It's just similar to that. Do you like my video? Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.